Welcome back to English Tour. This is shadowing practice.
Remember to listen first, then repeat after each sentence. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
Let's get started.
Today is a new day. Repeat. Today is a new day. I get out of bed with a smile. Repeat. I get out of bed with a smile. I open the window. Repeat. I open the window. The fresh air feels wonderful. Repeat. The fresh air feels wonderful. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Repeat. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I drink a glass of water. Repeat. Then I drink a glass of water. A healthy morning gives me more energy. Repeat. A healthy morning gives me more energy. After that, I eat a simple breakfast. Repeat. After that, I eat a simple breakfast. My favorite breakfast is eggs and toast. Repeat. My favorite breakfast is eggs and toast. I check my schedule for the day. Repeat. I check my schedule for the day. I have a few important tasks. Repeat. I have a few important tasks. I will do my best. Repeat. I will do my best. I stay positive even when things are difficult. Repeat. I stay positive even when things are difficult. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Repeat. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Every lesson makes me a better English speaker. Repeat. Every lesson makes me a better English speaker. I enjoy practicing English. Repeat. I enjoy practicing English. Little by little, I become more fluent. Repeat. Little by little, I become more fluent. I believe in my progress. Repeat. I believe in my progress. I can do it. Repeat. I can do it.
Excellent work. Thank you for practicing with English Tour.
If you enjoyed today's shadowing lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English. See you in the next challenge of shadowing practice.